In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your pictures round here in Canva. Now, I already have a picture just here, and if we click on this, we can see that there's no settings up here to actually turn this picture into a round picture instead of this rectangle picture. But there is a little workaround, and we're going to use frames. Now, if we come over to Elements, just here, then if we type in frames and choose this first one here with this little heart, then we're going to click on See All for basic shapes, and we can choose this round one just here. Now from here, what we have to do, or all that we have to do should I say, is take the image and drag it in. Now we can also crop this image by double clicking on the image, and then we can center to how we want it. Then click Done. Now we also have the option to adjust and make bigger as well, and if we want a border on this, all we have to do is come up to here to where it says border style. Then we can choose one of the borders, the border weight, till we have it how we want it. But that's just how simple it is to make pictures round here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.